How to download Roblox Studio and get it on home screen. Hi guys, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. Start by opening up a web browser, and here you want to search for Roblox Studio. Now tap on the very first website. Now you need to log into your account if you have not done that already. Once you have done that, tap on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen. Now you want to tap on Add to Home Screen. So here you can edit the name if you want. Then tap on Add. Now tap on Add again. Once you do that, if you head back, here you can find the Roblox Studio on your home screen, and that is how you can download Roblox Studio and get it on your home screen. And that is it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.